Oh, this piece of shit. What the actual fuck do you
just call it How to Fix a Bike.
How to Fix a Bike 101. Oh.
You got it yourself, poor boy?
No.
Fuck you, wrong.
Here, somebody hold that.
That was on camera. And I don't
I'm
know
showing it to Mom.
And I don't know how to edit it, so. I'm gonna tell my mommy.
Okay. Just hold this right there. Gracias. I'm gonna be back with something to like tie this up with.
Why?
Because that's what we need. There's like nothing.
This guy needs help. That's normal. Wow.
Alright, let's hope this motherfucking piece of shit doesn't break.
What are you gonna do here?
Check it out. It's gonna work. Fucking piece of shit better work. Here, hold this down somebody.
Hold what down? The brake or what? You want me to move my hand now?
Yeah, nah.
Nah. Why the fuck? We're gonna break this chain. This is invincible. Everyone, please listen up. Do not get a fucking beach cruiser, please.
Seriously.
For your own safety.
Otherwise, this will happen to you.
No, you gotta take it and move it. Yeah.
I swear to God, this is gonna break.
Is it actually? Fuck me in the asshole. Why didn't it work?
Alright. Here we go.
Put the stick back over there.
That's what she said.
No, she said put it back in there, not over there.
Well, you know, maybe she doesn't want it in there.
Stop. Like you could do it any better. Stop. You fucking dumbass.
Did you just get it? No fucking way! Woo! Watch, it's gonna be on the wrong way.
Drop it now, you fucking idiot. It pops off. I'm gonna take a knife and cut it off.
He fixed it.
Yeah, I fixed a $160 bike. Now you gotta pay up for the other one. Fuck you. He's off to see the wizard.
$60?
No, it was probably 210 or something.
Okay, we gotta learn how to bail on this.
What do you mean? Don't honk at me, you bitch. No fucking. How did that? Did that seriously go straight? What the fuck?
Wait! That gives me an idea. Dude, check it out. I'm just doing like a new BMX trick.
How is that even possible? Usually bikes are supposed to go, don't fall off. This thing's just bouncing off. When a bike bounces,
Lizzie can take a look at the dirt.
It loses momentum or whatever and just freaking dies.
Stability.
This one's invincible. This thing's like a god.
Wait, are you gonna turn around?
Yep.
There's a dog here. Don't hurt it.
Wait, don't go yet.
Dude, James, that was destroy it.
Pretty much. Okay, ready?
Wait, are you bailing or something? What are you doing, you fuckboy?
When it's rolling down. Oh, I thought you meant like.
Check it out.
Not on the bikes. Yeah, usually that's supposed to happen. If you go this way, it's gonna be a god. This is what? Did you break it?
Incoming rock. Oh, look, it's raining.
Take this down the hill. Alright, guys, ready? Follow me.